Hi, my name is Marco from Avio Presentation Systems. Today I will take you through a guide on how to connect your Clevertouch to your CleverLive digital signage account. First thing we want to do is we want to look for the CleverLive app on our Clevertouch. To do this, we can swipe from the bottom up and we can find our different apps. If you have a different interface that has two side arrows, you can tap on one of the side arrows, you can select apps and you can find your CleverLive app in there. Once I go into CleverLive, I'm going to get this menu. It's going to tell me to click here to get connected. Once I tap on that, I'm going to get a unique PIN code. I'll need to type this unique PIN code into my CleverLive account. So let's go over to our PC and show you where we need to type that PIN code into. So once I'm logged into my CleverLive account, I'm going to navigate to the top where it's telling me screens. Once I'm inside my screens, these are the different screens that are currently connected to my CleverLive account. If I want to connect a new Clevertouch screen, I can use this plus icon and I can enter the unique PIN code that we're getting on our Clevertouch. Once I've entered that unique PIN code, I'm going to hit submit and that's going to add my device onto my CleverLive account. I'm able to use this little arrow at the bottom right side of that window to rename that screen. So for me, I'm going to call it an impact and I can save that afterwards. After my screen is done syncing with my account, as you can see, it has a little arrow there. I can select the screen and I can drag and drop any presentation that I want to present on that screen afterwards. Just make sure that little bottom arrow is gone from that screen before pushing any presentations out. Once we have our Clevertouch connected to our CleverLive account, as you can see, it's telling me that my content is currently updating. One thing I want to make sure is that my CleverLive is fully up to date to make sure it's functioning properly. To check this, we're going to go into our settings on our CleverLive app and we're going to tap and check for new software updates. As you can see, I actually need a software update myself, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on yes. That's going to download my update, so it will take a few seconds. Once that's done, I'm going to tap on update. That's going to install my new update on my CleverLive, and after that it's telling me that the app is installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap open and the app should open up. If I go back into my settings and if I check for new software updates, it will tell me that it's fully up to date. So just make sure your app is fully up to date before starting to use.